So, I'm not a metrologist, but the closest size to this little guy over here seems to be a 7/64. Now, the only 7/64 I have is, of course, the cheapo freebie, who knows where it came from, Guangzhou, China. So, how do we get one of these over here? I've already tried it. There's no hope. Even if I remove the handle, I'm hitting the case before I can turn anything. However, a human being had to put it together, so a human being ought to be able to take it apart. It's a one-size-fits-all slotted Phillips, maybe even square and round drive. Alright. Oh, spring. Okay, so good news and bad news. We're in, but it's rounder than I hoped. Ooh, that one almost. Oh, damn it. Alright. So, we're gonna go see. Either I'm gonna hammer this one in, or I'm gonna find a Torx that almost fits and hammer that in. And then we'll give it a shot.